Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your TikTok on a PC, all of the steps which I'm going to be showing you in order to log in into your TikTok on a PC. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Now let's move on. First step. What you want to do is you want to go to TikTok.com, the official website of TikTok. Now once you come over here, what you want to do is at the top of his screen, you can see the login button. You can click on login. Once you click on login, it's going to give you all the methods through which you can log in by using QR code, or by using your phone or email or username, or by using your Facebook, or by using your Google account, or by using your Twitter account, or by using your Apple ID, or by using your Instagram account. You can use whichever method you find easy. So let's say I want to sign up using my phone number or email. I can click on this. And if you want to enter your phone number, you can enter your phone number. If you don't have a phone number and you have an email, you can click a login with email over here. And you can enter your email or your username over here. Once you do that, you can enter the password of your account over here just like I'm doing and click a login. And if the email and password you entered is correct, you should be able to log in into TikTok account. And that's one way, and this is for the website version of TikTok. If you're using TikTok on your PC by downloading it just like this is the downloaded version. You can easily download it from your web store, right? What you can do is let me just first log out. So to log out, you can click on the profile picture, click and log out. So the interface is similar for like website version and like this version. As you guys can see side by side, it's literally similar. What you can do is just click on login and the setting page will open up, and the process is saying QR, email, Facebook, Google, Twitter, Apple, Instagram, so you can choose whichever method you find easy and you can log in into TikTok. That's how we guys can do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech It Simple. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.